Hi everyone, today with me I have this pack of 10 microblading pens and they are amazing. So let's take a look at that. They all come individually wrapped like so, especially because of safety. Now these are single use only, so whenever you have a client, you're only going to use them once and then you have to discard of them. But I absolutely love having one of these to practice my microblading onto a sheet like this. Now I have just started and all I've been doing is practicing strokes, but I really love this pen for a couple reasons. It has this really nice thick part right here, which allows you to get a good grip and really get those angles so you can practice going ahead and doing your microblading, or even when you're doing it on a real person, you want that high quality of product so you can really have a nice grip. And on the other end, you have this little corner right here that it's nice and fluffy so you can go ahead and brush out your patient's eyebrows, whatever you're doing your client, you can go ahead and use that as well. I absolutely urge you to get these. They're awesome and they're really going to allow you to add in any extra details, fine lining, or just like me, master your craft by using it on a practice skin like this one. Check these out on Amazon. They're an awesome product and they make for a really great microblading practice as well.